Hello, welcome to Clickly. Today we'll talk about Object Editor application. What are the other adventures that the hero has encountered on his journey? In today's lesson, we will reproduce these adventures together. The course would include units drop settings, add hero's ability, and ability parameter modification. Open Clickly. Place a unit on the map as the enemy. Select the unit. Use the 3-in-1 widget to adjust its size and orientation. I believe everyone must be very familiar with this right now. Next, go to Edit Attributes on the right side. Change the unit owner to Neutral Hostile. Scroll down and add the item drop for this unit. Click the plus sign to add an item drop. We choose the Custom Equipment Ancient Sword. You can see that the default drop ratio is 100. This value can be customized and modified. First, we need to place a hero unit on the map. Create a custom hero unit and place it on the map. Use the 3-in-1 widget to adjust its orientation, so it faces the enemy unit. Select the unit to see its attributes. The unit currently has only one ability, Normal Attack. Click Edit Object below to open the Object Editor and add abilities for it. Under Abilities, we can see there are 4 types of abilities: Common Ability, Hero Abilities, Passive Abilities, and Normal Attack. Double-click Hero Abilities. You can check to add 1 or more abilities for the unit. Let's see the hero ability, Random Palm, we just added. An ability is consisted of 2 parts. One is the triggers, and is used to achieve the ability effect. The other one is data, and is used to modify ability parameters. Let's take a look at Random Palm in Object Editor. There are 4 types of ability cast type. Normal Attack, the ability released when the player controls a unit and clicks the enemy unit with the right mouse button. Active Ability, ability that requires players to actively release. Passive Ability, ability that cannot be actively released. As long as the unit or the item has learned this ability, the effect will be applied. Build Ability, ability used to build buildings. By configuring the building column, the unit can have the ability to build buildings. Here we can choose Active Ability as the ability cast type. Check Cast immediately when out of range. If the target is beyond the casting range of the ability, it will be cast at the closest point to the target, within the casting range. Check Turn. After the ability is released, the unit will automatically turn to the direction of the ability released, and the turning speed is the unit's turning speed. Set the value to damage point to 100. SP cost is the NP value consumed when casting the ability. For convenience of testing, we set it to 0 here. CD time is the ability cooldown time. It is the minimal duration between 2 casts. We set it to 1 second. Cast range is a circular area with the unit as the center, and the cast range as the radius, that is, the farthest distance at which the unit can cast the ability without moving. Here, we set it to 1500. indicator type represents the mouse aiming style when casting the ability. Here, we choose arrow indicator direction as the indicator type. Set the arrow length and arrow width to 500 and 100 respectively. So far, we have finished designing the adventures of the hero in the video. How is the cool ability made? You can learn in our following lessons. Next class, we will learn about triggers. See you next time!